This guy over here is a turkey vulture. The turkey vulture's scientific name is Catbaratus aura. Turkey vultures are the only bird species with a keen sense of smell. They also have an excellent immune system to fighting off bacteria, viruses, and diseases. This species can be seen cruising through open areas and forests in search of their next meal. They will communal they will commune roost in trees or on utility towers. These turkey vultures feed on dead animals, only on dead animals.